Okay guys, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Facebook banner template PSD, and you'll download it as a zip file. If you double click it on Mac, it will unzip. If you right click and click extract on Windows, then it should extract it there. Double click on the PSD and it will open up in Photoshop. And just on a note, you need to have Photoshop to be able to use this, or another program that will open Photoshop PSDs. You'll see we got the text here, so make sure your text tool's selected, and then you can put your cursor in and you can change text here. Okay, same. Sometimes it's hard to click on this lower text because it's so close. If you click outside and then click back in, we can also change the sub headline here. Okay, if you want to reposition and move these texts, there's two ways of doing it. When you've got the text tool selected, if you move your cursor away, you can see it goes to the like a little cross icon on there. That's one way, but the best way to do it is to actually click this cross icon up here. This is actually the move tool, and then you can see we get these pink lines, so we know we can line things up just how we want them. And you can see that this text is way too big. So if we go back to the text tool, put our cursor in, press Command A, that will highlight all of the text, or Control A. Up here is where we can change the font size. So you've got a couple of different ways. You've got the drop down menu there where you can choose a size. You can put your cursor in and you can type a size, but the easiest way, is to hover over these two T's and drag left and right. So you can see I can reduce the size of that text and get it just right. And then I can move it again, bring it up over here like that, so we know it's nice and lined up. If you wanted to change the color of the text, just Command A again, put your cursor in, Command A, this little box up here will change the color. Okay, so you can either drag these sliders around like this, you can copy and paste a hex code right in there, or if you move away, we can pick a color from the actual image there. Okay, so you may want to grab a color from your logo or something like that. I like to have it on white. Entirely up to you. Once you're done, click OK. To change the image, the background image here, this layer here, if you don't see layers at the side of your Photoshop, come up to Window, make sure you've got layers checked here. Come to this layer here where it says Place Design, double click on that layer and it opens up this separate window. We can then find a picture. Let's go here. Okay, we can then grab a picture, drag and drop it, and I'll show you another way of doing it. Drag and drop it in there. If you need to resize it, you can grab these handles, hold down Shift, and it will resize in proportion. If you don't hold down Shift, it won't resize in proportion. Once you're happy, press return and then close this tab. Okay, you'll know that it's the tab you need to close because it says PSB up there. Close that, hit save, and then it drops it in there like that. Okay, nice and easy to do. So here would be somewhere where you would want to change the color of the font there. Just do that one more time. And also, once you put these images in, they'll always stay in here, so you can flick around and change. And let me show you the other way. So the other way to add an image in, we click the layer and then we come up here and we go File, Place Embedded. Okay, but it is actually much easier just to drag and drop, but I'll show you this way anyway. Grab another image. Oh, not dragging and dropping. Hit place. See, I do that drag and drop so often. You see, this one would need resizing, so I'm going to drag up here. I'm going to drag out here, and then I'm just going to drag it down a little bit like that. Of course, this is not the optimum size. Click return, click close, hit save. Now, it's a good idea to change your Facebook banner quite often because it helps with engagement. Your fans on your page will see it. So it just is like posting another picture as well. So there we go, nice and easy to use. I'll put the download for this underneath, and of course once you're happy with your image, go File, Save As, select JPEG, down here, and then go ahead and give it a name and save it. Okay, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now, guys.